Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to share with you a very easy vegetable nuggets recipe. It's a very good snack option for both kids and adults. Also they can be a very good idea for kids lunchbox. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do press the subscribe button and please do share and like and press the notification bell icon for new video updates. Now let's start with our recipe. Add 1 tablespoon oil of your choice in a pan. Then add 1 medium chopped onion. Saute it till it is translucent. Add 1 grated carrot, 1 cup of green peas and 1 cup of sweet corn. You can add your choice of vegetables. Now add 2 medium boiled potatoes, 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and salt to taste. Cook for some time. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 2 teaspoons of rice flour or corn flour, and now cook for 5 minutes and then turn off the heat and let it cook. Transfer this mixture to a bowl and then add 1 cup of breadcrumbs and then mix it properly and then mash with a potato masher so that there are no lumps. Drizzle some oil so that the mixture does not stick to the walls of the bowl, and then wrap it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Take a plastic sheet and brush some oil on it. Take out the mixture from the refrigerator after 30 minutes and roll it with a rolling pin. I'm using some cookie cutters to make the shapes. If you don't have cookie cutters, no worries. You can simply use your hands and shape them. I will show you how. Remove the excess dough. Now lightly coat the nuggets with some breadcrumbs. So I am using my hands to give a shape to the remaining dough. So nuggets are absolutely ready. So either you can freeze them or you can fry them immediately. In my sweet potato smiley video, I have shown you how I freeze my sweet potato smileys, and I do the same with my vegetable nuggets. So go ahead and watch the video if you are interested. And now this is how I shallow fry my vegetable nuggets until golden brown. I would suggest not to deep fry them because they might break. They're already cooked once, so you do not need to deep fry. Just shallow fry them and just let it cool down a little bit before you serve it. They will become more crispier. You can serve them with your choice of vegetables or salad, accompanied with some ketchup. Hope you liked the recipe. If you have any comments and suggestions, please write it in the comments section. Please do give me a thumbs up and do not forget to share and subscribe, and also press the notification bell icon